A refund, marked as pending in possible finance, usually means the money has already been released by the lender or merchant, but the bank hasn't fully finished processing it yet. By the end of this, you'll know how to track where the refund is stuck, what pending actually means inside possible finance, and what you can do to help it update faster. Start by opening the Possible Finance app and tapping the transaction that shows the pending refund. If it still says pending, the refund is in progress but hasn't fully cleared through the banking network yet. Next, check the original transaction tied to the refund. Refunds can't fully complete until the original loan payment or charge has finished settling with your bank. If the original transaction is still processing, the refund will stay pending automatically. Now check your bank account outside the app. Some refunds update your available balance before the transaction status fully updates inside Possible Finance. That can make it look like the refund is stuck even when the money has already started moving. Next, check your bank's transaction history or pending deposits section. If it appears there, the refund is already in the banking system and just hasn't finalized. Now, make sure your bank connection inside Possible Finance is working properly. If the sync is broken, the app may not refresh the refund status correctly. Next, confirm your app is fully updated. Older versions can delay status updates or show outdated transaction information. If the refund has been pending for a long time, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a fresh sync of your account data and can update delayed transactions. If you recently filed a dispute or correction request, that can extend processing time. In those cases, refunds depend on both Possible Finance and your bank completing their review steps. Avoid contacting support too early unless the refund goes beyond normal processing time. Most pending refunds are caused by banking delays, not issues inside the app. If nothing changes, contact Possible Finance support with your transaction details and refund amount. To sum it up, check the original transaction status, verify your bank account, refresh your app data, and confirm the refund is processing through your bank. Next, give the system time to fully clear before escalating the issue. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Possible Finance tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.